Welcome to the American Society of Mechanical Engineers Student Section's Best Practices example video. My name is Jonathan Jennings and I will be showcasing my local student section at the University of Missouri-Columbia, home of the Mizzou Tigers. To give you a little background on me, on a local level I have held the positions of Social Chair and President. On the national level I have served as the District C Vice Chair of Communications and I am currently the Chair of District 2. This video is intended to give you a first-hand look at some of the fun and exciting things that you can do with your student section. The Student Professional Development Conference and International Mechanical Engineering Congress and Exposition are great places to meet some awesome people and gain leadership experience to take back to your personal sections. Both venues host a long list of excellent opportunities like leadership training, job fairs, competitions, and networking. I would suggest that your section send as many members as possible, but don't be afraid to send one individual to scout out the situation for your section. I did exactly that and it worked out well for our section. Make sure you take pictures and your personal experiences back to share the exciting opportunities provided by ASME. Competitions are one of the greatest tools that you can use to enhance your section's overall experience and participation. ASME has a wide variety of competitions to choose from. My favorite is the Student Design Competition. Here students are tasked to design and manufacture an entry to compete that solves current world-based engineering problems. Past examples include an asset retrieval device related to the Fukushima nuclear disaster and a flying vehicle to put out forest fires. This year, a new competition has been added to the list of ASME competitions. The Innovative Additive Manufacturing 3D Challenge. This year students were tasked to design a device that would improve energy efficiency through 3D printing, and the final chosen designs will be 3D printed by ASME and brought to the competition to accompany their presentations. I personally have not participated in any other competitions that ASME offers, but I wanted to list a few that should not be overlooked. The Innovative Design Simulation Challenge, the Human Powered Vehicle Challenge, as well as the Oral Guard and poster competitions. For more information, check out the ASME Student Competitions website, and if you wish to see a few examples, please check out the ASME District C Facebook site. Service is a huge part of what ASME student sections should be involved with. Conveying the excitement of engineering and volunteering may sound like a job, but with my personal experience, it has never felt like one. Seeing kids' eyes light up with the possibilities of STEM education is one of the most fun and invigorating experiences that I have ever had. Some examples of service that our section has provided would be a rocket competition, Cub Scout presentations. We also volunteered to serve food and clean up at a chili festival to help fundraise for a recently flooded town, multiple visits to local and non-local high schools, all to promote STEM education. To make your outreach work smoothly and impact more people, I suggest reaching out to other student organizations. We worked with AIAA, SAE, the 3D Print Club, and the Society of Women Engineers. Without their help, some of our functions would not have been possible. Department service is an easy way to impress your university's department and give you leverage for funding. Every year our section has hosted or co-hosted an Industrial Advisory Council Forum, biannual electives forum, we watch our university's computer labs, and we hold one-on-one classes for students, as well as multiple university recruitment presentations. Student national representation is a big deal. As past Vice Chair of Communications, I had the opportunity to produce and distribute a District C newsletter, as well as start our very own District C Facebook site to showcase what our region is up to this year. As Chair, I'm making this best practices video and working on building Region 2's networking between student sections. Joining the Student Sections Enterprise Committee was a great way to meet like-minded, driven people. Not to mention that I was funded to go to a national meeting in Portland, Oregon, and will be sent to Montreal, Canada to participate in IMechE this fall. If you check out the picture above, you can tell that we really had fun while we were there. Industry tours will be one of your greatest recruitment tools. The experience of seeing what you're going through school for is an eye-opener, and I have seen some cool stuff at industry tours. Full production lines for F-15 and F-18 fighter jets, small aircraft companies, Harley production plants, giant billboard production plans, and I even experienced a 20mm rotary cannon being fired. It definitely got me hyped for my engineering education and put me in front of interested, prospective employers. Social events are a great way to build strong, lifelong relationships with your members or teammates. Barbecues and bonfires are an easy, cheap way to achieve this. Some hot dogs, a little soda and chips, maybe some s'mores, they do the trick every time. We all know that students really appreciate a break, especially if there's free food. Listed here are a few example websites from my student section in the ASME Student Competitions website. Please reach out and talk to your local chair and professional sections. They wish to hear from you and help you be successful. I have included a North American regional map, and if you're in Region 2, please have your section chair contact me at the email listed at the bottom. Thank you for watching the ASME Best Practices example presentation.